Got a Golf off for a minor service. Screen wash top up. Check over the antifreeze, it's just had a water pump as well. It's already marked, had fresh air. Sense protection at -15, good. Brake fluid water content, we've got it on .4. And it's above 2%. I will advise to get it replaced. You can get one of these from your TikTok bio. So back off the oil cap, we'll pull the dipstick. I'm going to remove the engine cover because the oil filter doesn't come out with that. Back off the oil filter to 32. We'll let that sit and drain off and we'll jack it up. We'll remove the oil filter now. New oil filter and seal ring in. We'll get this in by hand at first. And then we can torque the oil filter up. Zach's took the old sun plug out and he's put a new one in. Special tool to put them in as well, made a little tool. Fresh engine oil going in now. These take 5.7 litres, around 5.5, 5.7. Got a look at that. Whoa. Got the auto connector, we'll come to services. Go to oil reset, then it's going to select the car. We'll do an auto VIN scan. It's got the inspection light on the dash, so you want to do oil and inspection service reset. Press OK on that. And that's it reset. That's it sorted. On to the next job.